In today's video, we are diving into the latest updates from Midjourney's weekly office hours. We've got some exciting new features, updates on the upcoming releases, and some important news to keep you in the loop. Plus, I will be sharing my favorite curated style reference quotes from this week that caught my attention. So let's get started. We have two major headlines to cover this week, and they are both quite interesting. First up, Midjourney is planning to allow external images to be uploaded and edited on their image editor on the website. This means you will be able to take any image from the web, upload it to the editor, and tweak it using all the current features of their tool, like zoom out, pan, in-painting, changing aspect ratio, and things like that. It's a huge expansion of their capabilities, but they are also being cautious about it. There are concerns about moderation. After all, they don't want to deal with graphic or problematic images slipping through the cracks. To manage this, they are considering making this feature available only to pro users. This tiered approach would allow them to control traffic and moderation more effectively. But even within the team, there is some hesitance about locking features behind paywalls, as it could create a divide between users. It's still something under discussion, but rest assured, they are thinking carefully about how to implement this. Next, Midjourney version 7 is in training. However, process is very slow. Every time they find a bug, the training has to be paused, the issue is fixed, and then training restarts. So although usually training takes 5 weeks, it's moving slower than expected right now. Version 7 promises improved language understanding, allowing for more accurate prompts in different languages, along with a better grasp of world knowledge. David said they are also prioritizing speed, so we are hoping for a faster experience in version 7. There is still a balance to be found between speed, quality, and server capacity. My understanding is don't expect version 7 to launch soon. It's still months away, but it's definitely something to look forward to, especially considering the current competition is getting more and more intense. They are also considering releasing a version 6.2, which would allow users to generate 8 images with a single prompt instead of the current 4. This is a big deal, not just for users, but also for the algorithm itself. The idea is that by generating more images at once, users are more likely to find something they like, which in turn could improve the accuracy of the models in the long run. This batch image generation is a significant UI change as well. This may be shipped separately or as part of a potential version 6.2, that's not 100% clear. Moving on to the video model that's currently in the works. It's planned for release sometime in this year, but definitely not before November or December. One thing they observed during testing is that face consistency throughout the video is much better than what we've seen with other tools. With other image-to-video tools, the faces tend to shift or morph between frames, but Midjourney's video model, according to the team, seems to maintain that coherence. They believe this is going to be a big selling point for them, especially if you want a seamless transition from an image to a video without losing the character's likeness and face details. They are also working on a storytelling mode, and we've finally gotten a little more info on that. This mode will have a new user interface focused on building cinematic worlds, whether it's a realistic world or an illustrative animation-style universe. It seems similar to what we've seen today from Runway's research lab, that you would be able to build a cinematic world through text. Midjourney team also wants to have a similar experience. Essentially, we will be able to build our character through text and build a world around this character in a simple and an effective way in a new user interface. After the video model, their focus will shift to the 3D model, though we are not expecting to see anything concrete on that for a while. As for immediate releases, we are likely to see a new personalization mechanism soon. This tool will let you manage and refine your personalized styles, and it may have both basic and advanced modes for greater flexibility. Finally, stay tuned for updates on editing external images in the image editor and batch 8 image generation test, both of which could be coming very soon. That's it for this week's Midjourney Office Hours recap. Which style reference quote is your favorite this week? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to submit your favorite style reference quotes in the comments as well, so I can showcase them in next week's video. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.